What's up guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to disable Tailscale on your computer. The easiest way is through the Tailscale app. Go to your system tray, right click the Tailscale icon, and select Exit, which is at the bottommost part of the selection. This will disable Tailscale without uninstalling the app, and it stays like that until you turn it on again. If you prefer using the command prompt, go to your search bar, find CMD, and run it as administrator. Now let's check first if Tailscale is running. So there it is. Let's go back to the command prompt and type Tailscale down. Then hit enter. If you go to check Tailscale in the system tray again, you'll find that it's been disconnected from the network. You can also stop it completely by going to your search bar and typing services. Run it as administrator and proceed to finding Tailscale. Right click on it and select stop. And that's how you disable Tailscale quickly and safely. Thanks for watching.